are again asking me about the posters or what. Uganda, with the help of the Uganda People's Defense Forces and the allied security agencies, we want to give assurance to all Ugandans and people who live in Uganda that Uganda is safe. The preoccupation of the Uganda People's Defense Forces is to make sure that our territorial integrity is secured, our boundaries, and the internal issues here. We are working with the police to make sure that the continued threats, terror threats, are overcome. And of course, from now, border to border, Uganda is secure. Let Ugandans indulge themselves into productive activities to make sure that they take advantage of the peace and tranquility which is prevailing. And I also need to caution ourselves that as we go for the elections, we should guard against making inflammatory statements that can throw us into chaos. That would be able to tempt the security agencies who have been cautioned to be very cautious to act within the law. We should be very peaceful, and if we maintain this peace that Uganda is enjoying came through the blood. People paid the ultimate price. And as you remember a few days ago, Heroes Day, that's what it means, that some people died to make sure that we have peace here for the last.
Thank you very much. This is Honorable Mika Lolema Kasile. I'm a member of Parliament. I represent the people of Pokot County in Amura District. That is Rupe constituency in Karamaja sub-region. Today I've come here to pick my forms, and I need to go back to the chair of Parliament. Why? I have made what I promised the people of Amura. I have made my pledges. So here today I've come to pick nomination forms for chair of Parliament. And I know the community will turn me back. Listen, I have done what they wanted. I have built peace between them and the neighbors, the Pian, the Mateniko, and the Bokora. My brothers, the Sebe, we are together. So there is a relative peace. And that's why I know, because my community, these are cattle keepers. If we don't have peace within the region, they will not have animals to deal with. So that's where I targeted. I went to education. I lobbied for them. Secondary school in Loro. And there's a new one going to be put in Alakas. So those are the issues that I made sure that my community must benefit through the NRM government. And that's why I'm here today to pick the NRM forms to represent my community. I have made sure that the sub-counties must have health centers. So if you lobby your colleague, if you lobby ministers, if you lobby your party, you will get what you want. So I am here today to tell my
as about three roles, important roles. One is legislation, representation, and oversight. That is what Parliament does. So to me, we have been making so many laws in Uganda here, and the President has assented to most of the laws. I believe we have been serving the people. Secondly, it is representation. There are a number of debates in Parliament, and members have been debating issues that concern our people, pro-people issues. That is what our Parliament has been debating. I believe we have served our people in that area, and also oversight. We have been carrying a lot of accountability in most of the sectors in the country. We go through the Auditor General report. The report is given to Parliament. Members of Parliament interrogate ministries that are in their specific responsibilities, and they have done well in that area. So I believe we have served the country well as per the Constitution, the role of member of Parliament.
Abantu bafa berwa emiyaga barude nga bankubira amasimu nga bagamba bya service delivery honorable jango tununule mbadde nkituddeko nkirowoozezaako naye lwaleero sazeewo nzije. Tomanya Katonda ayinza okutuyamba ku luno bye tufuna akalulu akatuufu. Si bino bye tubaddemu emyaka kumpi 3. Katonda ayinza okutulaga ekkubo naffe abantu b'Erwemiyaga n'abantu b'Essembabule nga disitulikiti. Tuba nti ku luno tukuba akalulu kaffe tuyisaawo abantu be twagala batukulembere.
Wano ku kitebe kya NRM kya Electoral Commission nfe okunona okuwayo okusaba kwange ali omukulu w'akakiiko kitwadde tulina okukola tumaze okusasula essente tumaze n'okubalaga wenondera bakakasa nti nze nonderayo ne bampayo ebaluwa ekitiizo genda okufuna emikomi gy'abawandiisi ndyoke tukomewo tutekemu enfabulezo nga bitera wakati wakuna 7 kakati walwambuza nti kyagala okulandiage nyikinyoza ebisoga n'ebitundu ebirala naye nga erudda lw'ebusoga njagala airport airport ey'ejjinja ezimbibwe mu kisanjate twagitandikako era kati batandika ogisimba naye ekibulako tuli kugoba ettaka okugattako ettaka erya UPDF okugattako ettaka erya agriculture n'erya Ministry of Forestry tube ne runway eya kilomita 3.5 esobola okuleeta ennyonyi nga eyabiri nandinga ejjinja kibeere nti omuntu ava Karamoja agenda e London leetaga kuvuga kujja Ntebe akomawo ejjinja.
Get on.